That is quite possible, but that is where I think the TRI comes in. Where I think there is a huge demand for organic tea, which I think most of the people did mention. But when I did speak to the traders, they say we can't buy organic in Sri Lanka. When I speak to the producers, they say, well, the yields aren't there, we can't produce it, it's too costly, the certification costs are too much, so on and so forth. But that's, I believe, what probably TRI can come in and look at the clones or whatever, that's a science part of it, which I'm not expert in. Yeah, that's what I think what the TRI could do, drive the quality aspect of it instead of the quantity, because we only see the quantity but not the quality, unfortunately. And don't forget, our friends here are going to produce, or they are starting orthodox manufacturing in Kenya. Their target is to go for 200 million kilos out of their 600 million. So we have had a rosy time all throughout. No one was pushing us, there was no competition. There is going to be competition for orthodox teas. And the other thing was, I was talking to one of our colleagues yesterday, and about their produce, especially in Aurelia, is not getting the prices. It's the equivalent of Darjeeling. And I know when Darjeeling First Flush comes out, they make a huge bang about it in Europe, right? I don't see anything happening about the Sri Lankan or really leave it on anything. So social media wise, we are doing nothing at all. If you are pitching at Gen Z, we can talk the sweet, the vocabulary, but we need to be social media. Not even Facebook, that's old now, We need to be steps ahead and always be talking to these people. And other thing is, I think the producers have left the marketing to the traders. That's wrong. I think you need to market your tea. Let the traders do the trading, yes, but you need to create your own authentic story, because you're the ones who have the tea and you have to do it. And I think also TRI, Professor Costa, needs to align with that. I think you do great things, as they say. It's not only enough to be doing the great things, you should be seen to be doing the great things that you do. So marketing in every aspect, whether it's science or production or anything, it is the way to go. And if you don't do it, someone else will do it for you, as our lovely lady said, and will be lost. So that's what I want to tell you. Thank you very much.